Place a sponge inside your refrigerator, and the next day you won't believe the result. If you thought this sponge was only for washing dishes, know that you are wrong. Its uses go far beyond that, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you. But before I show you what the point of putting a sponge in the refrigerator is, let me show you other different uses of the sponge that will also be very useful for you. If you have a piece of clothing full of lint and you keep trying to remove it with adhesive tape, you are wasting your time. Just take a new sponge and rub it on the clothes with the green side. And there you go. Problem solved. Another great use for the sponge is cleaning the high parts of our house, especially if you don't like climbing on ladders or chairs. Just make a cavity in this part of the sponge. Add a little detergent and a little water. Then just fit a broomstick into the hole we made, and that's it. You will be able to clean the bathroom ceiling, kitchen ceiling, or any part you want. All this without having to climb ladders. If when washing your dark clothes, you notice they come out with a lot of lint, the sponge will be your solution. Before starting the washing process, place a sponge in with your clothes. By doing so, you create an attraction for the lint. It will act as a magnet, preventing the lint from sticking to your clothes. The sponge is also great for leaving our bathroom fragrant. What you need to do is cut a sponge in half. We're only going to use one of the halves. Once that's done, make a small cavity between the yellow and green parts, about this size. Now, take a scented soap and cut a small piece. Then just take the piece and place it inside the sponge. After that, attach the sponge with this toilet bowl cleaner holder. Then just place it in the toilet. And every time you flush, a bit of the soap essence will be released, leaving your toilet fragrant and avoiding that strong urine smell. Now that you've learned some different uses for the sponge, I'll show you why to place one inside the refrigerator. For this, take a new sponge. Sprinkle some salt over the sponge, then spread it with your fingers. Once that's done, just place the sponge with the salt inside your refrigerator. And with this simple process, you can significantly reduce the excess moisture inside the fridge, which will preserve your food for much longer, especially vegetables. This tip also helps eliminate bad odors from the fridge, all thanks to the sponge and salt, which have great absorption power. You can always keep it inside the fridge, and when you notice the salt is darker and moist, just replace the salt. So that's it. I hope you liked it. Now let me know which of these sponge tricks you like the most and which one you didn't know about. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.